All right, Emma, tell us how it is.
I'm Emma Ranke, and I'm going to be a new sales agent, and in my second month, I'm looking to hit 100K.
We are going to take a brand new sales producer, doesn't really know a lot about insurance, and the goal would be to have her do something that's very rare in the insurance industry.
100K in her second month of selling?
The number one thing that's gonna hurt you chasing 100,000, you just don't know the systems yet. You don't know how to be creative.
It's going to require a lot of growth from me. It's going to be a very hard 2 months, and that's something that excites me.
Words of advice. I would say, don't f it up.
I see that you requested an insurance quote for the home on...
The only restriction that we have to go against is the clock, and I do believe that she's more than capable of doing 100,000, but the only thing that I believe that will hold her back is the amount of time that we have.
Do you live there, or are you buying that property? To one of our agents.
Don't hesitate to pause the call.
It's not something I've done before, so I don't have an exact path of how to get there, so it's going to be a lot of figuring out and trying to do really fast iterations.
The number one thing is you gotta believe that you can actually do it, or else you'll never get there.
If Emma can continue her momentum, start strong and remain strong, do what she needs to do every day and not worry about what the board looks like, before she knows it, she'll be at 100K.
Show up, do everything that you can to learn, and always be coachable, and I'll do everything in my power to make sure that you get to your 100K mark.
Emma, there's no going back. It's 100K in your second month or bust. We're rooting for you. You got this.
I'm going to go all in on this.